What up? Oh, whoa. What up, YouTube? All right. Well, so today I'm changing my intake. Finally upgrading it to a JLT Series 3. A good friend of mine, he sold me it. It's used, only 10,000 miles on it. But I've been trying to upgrade my intake for a while. So today's the day I'm gonna do that. So this is the before. Big stocky one, and this is the other one, JLT Series 3. Yeah, so basically all I gotta do is just plug in and play. Basically, yeah, it's already trimmed, everything. Yep. All right, let's do this. All right, guys, so this is my first time doing this, so yeah, I've seen a couple of videos of how to do it. So let me see if I can remember. Well, I got the intake off. I still gotta get the little half the box. Finally. There you go. First thing first. The heat shield should go first. So for this one right here, this bolt, it's pretty much simple, right? You just connect right here. But this one, I think you gotta connect it to the radiator, because there's a bolt right there. Unscrew that and then connect it to the radiator, and then it's solid in there. I don't know if you guys seen that, but all right. Yes, I got it. There you go. Now, just plug in here. And then I heard that for these right here, you don't have to like over like tighten it. It has to be like finger tight. So these right here, don't over tighten it. Now, the filter. Alright, I think that's it. I don't know if I'm missing anything else. Well, I gotta put the cover back on. But yeah, connected the bolt to the radiator, connected this filter, put the sensor on, connected this. This is I think the airflow, something like that. And then yeah, it should be good. And now all I gotta do is just, it also came because with these, especially with the JLT Series 3, you had to do a tuner shit. So comes with, well, my friend gave me a SCT flash tuner, so I'm gonna put that in my car right now and see how it goes. All right, guys, it's hot as like I mean, I can't even think right now. But so it's programmed, it's tuned, same thing. But now let's see if it turns on. Here we go. Oh man, if it doesn't turn on, it's gonna be embarrassing. Alright. I don't even know. Whatever. Let's do this. Yeah, it happened. Let's get back to it. So I went back onto the tuner thing, and I think it says, well, I put stock intake, right? And I think I'm not supposed to do that. I'm supposed to put the JLT Series 3 intake in it. So I did that, and right now it's loading, and see if it even turns on. After that, if it doesn't turn on, then fuck, man. I don't know. No. Oh, it's been complete now? Alright, so let's turn it on. I mean, turn it off first, and then turn it on. Man, hopefully this works. It works. Yes. Yes. Oh man. Alright guys, let's check this bad boy out now. Oh my god. Yeah, you guys. Alright, so if it would have not turned on, it would have been so embarrassing, guys, because this is supposed to be like one of the easiest mod to put in your car. So that would have been bad. But here it is. Beauty. Oh, check it out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, well there she is, guys. So give that a big like, subscribe button. I'm gonna put more videos up as much as I can. I'm kinda busy, but the next step for this bad boy, I am gonna put those lowering springs on. The E-blocks, I am gonna put those on. Maybe next week or 2 weeks tops, this bad boy is gonna be dropped. But there you go, guys. Peace. What up, YouTube? Welcome back. So I got another channel for you guys. What up, YouTube? So today I got a video, guys. What up, YouTube?